What's the meaning of custom-made? Custom-made. Custom-made.
Custom-made. Custom-made. The term custom-made refers to something that is made to order or specifically tailored to meet a customer's particular needs or specifications. This means that the product is not pre-made and is created only after the customer places an order. Custom-made products are typically more expensive than mass-produced items, but they offer a greater degree of individuality and quality control. Because they are designed and produced for a specific customer, they tend to fit better, function better, and be more unique than generic products. Overall, custom-made products provide a personalized solution for customers who want something tailored to their preferences.